It's a windy day in late October, but it's fairly dry, so the first winter barley is being drilled, starting with the stubble fields which were cultivated before they get too wet. This kind land doesn't need any weathering, so Stuart is ploughing only slightly ahead of the drill. A new plough has been bought, a 5-furrow Dowdeswell 100 series MA Delta furrow. It's quite a lot heavier than the 4-furrow ransoms and takes more pulling, but the 6420S is taking it in its stride on this kind soil, comfortably travelling at 6.5 kilometers an hour, whilst ploughing 8 to 9 inches deep. With the chance of catchy weather, Tony is keeping fairly close with the drill. With beat lifting finished for the time being, the 6400 has been fitted with dual wheels again for a few weeks to get the winter drilling done.